better bring your hiking boots, a load of water, and forget about Google Maps. It is no fucking help to you in Hebron, man. A lot of hills. three different young fellas helped me from the city centre up to here. I just ask where the next destination is and they bring me up here. Sound lads. So, where we are now is the Hirbawi textile factory. This is the very last place on earth where Palestinians are making the original kufiyas. So I'm gonna see if we can go in and buy one of the original ones and see what the crack is. So a lot of hills in Hebron, man. I swear to God, one of these days I'm gonna buy a camera with a zoom. I swear to God. So here we are, lads. The factory where they make the actual kufiyas. So, I'm Irish. They got the Irish ones right here.
I bought you a Keffiyeh, mon amour, mon ami. I wanna see ya in the streets in my Keffiyeh. I bought you a Keffiyeh, mon amour, mon ami. I wanna see ya in the streets in my Keffiyeh.
I have to come over to the side, it's so loud there. So, we've got a whole lot of designs. So it's just one family who run this place for a long time. So, if you buy any kufiyeh on the internet, if it's not coming from Hirbawi, you're buying a fake. So you can go online, you can go onto their website and you can order directly from them. They're cheaper and better quality than any other kufiyeh on earth. So I'm lucky enough to actually buy an original kufiyeh from the original factory, the only surviving kufiyeh factory on earth. Original Palestinian one. So man, so many designs, oh my God. I think I'm gonna ask him if they have some of those Irish ones, hopefully. So the owner has left me alone to have a look around. Man, Jesus, look at these. Man, look at these designs. Holy, oh Jesus. What's this? Oh man, it's an absolute explosion of color. So look, this is how you know it's the original one. If it doesn't say Hirbawi Kufiyeh original from Hebron, Palestine, then you bought a fake. You bought some Chinese sweatshop kufiyeh. I gotta say, I think he's out of the Irish ones. So basically every city in Palestine, they have their own kufiyeh with different colors, and even different political parties have their own different one. Like you might have seen the red one there. I think that was a socialist rebel group who kind of began using that one. Jesus, man, look at these. The camera was going to do no justice to the color schemes here. Just amazing. So I'm I'm not sure if they've any Irish ones left, because I really want one. So about the Irish one, a couple of months ago, the factory decided that they were going to do their first ever specially made Keffiyeh for another nation, and Ireland was the first. And oh shit, oh, wait a minute. We got one. So got the orange, right. Got an Irish Keffiyeh, 100% taking this one. Is there another one? No. Yes, man. Got 2 Irish ones. Will we go one more? I mean, I'll tell you what, actually, what I'll do my first ever shite giveaway. I'm going to give away an Irish Keffiyeh to a random person in the comment section. I'll sort it out later, but we're going to do one. So we got 2. Fuck it, I'm taking 3. Should have came here, they're all hanging up. Look at all these designs, man. I feel guilty for only taking the Irish ones, but there's only so much space in my bag. Oh man. Hello. Nice purse for the revolutionary lady. Might just pick up one of these as well, huh? How cool is this? So there you have it, lads. The Hirbawi textile factory. The absolute legends working inside there. The nicest people you can come across. So if you want to support a real, authentic, cultural business, then these are your boys. Hirbawi Textile Factory. I'll put links and shit in the comments below. So now it's back down, and we're gonna see some not so nice shit. Let's do it.
I bought you a Keffiyeh, mon amour, mon ami. I wanna see ya in the streets in my Keffiyeh. I bought you a Keffiyeh, mon amour, mon ami. I wanna see ya in the streets.